Welcome back to Healthy Herb. Today we will be talking about how berberine could help you lose weight, and we will point out some other incredible benefits. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on our informative and animated videos. Let's start with explaining what berberine is. Berberine is a bioactive compound found in a variety of plants, including barberry, Berberis vulgaris, golden seal, Hydrastis canadensis, Chinese goldthread, Coptis chinensis, and Philodendron amurense, a muircork tree. It has a long history of medicinal use in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic medicine for treating a variety of conditions, such as bacterial infections, inflammation, and digestive issues. Berberine has mostly gained interest for its potential role in weight loss. While berberine can help you lose weight, it is not a magical pill that will resolve your fat without making any other adjustments such as changing diet and exercising. Berberine offers several mechanisms that may contribute to weight loss and improved metabolic health, and this is how it works. It activates AMPK, AMP-activated protein kinase. AMPK is an enzyme that plays a crucial role in cellular energy homeostasis. It's often referred to as a metabolic master switch because it helps coordinate cellular energy use and production. When AMPK is activated, cells increase their energy expenditure by boosting catabolic processes, like breaking down fatty acids, and decreasing anabolic processes, like fatty acid synthesis, which can lead to weight loss. One of the primary metabolic shifts orchestrated by AMPK is the promotion of fatty acid oxidation, which means that stored fat is used for energy. This contributes to reducing overall body fat content. It improves insulin sensitivity. Berberine is known for its ability to improve insulin sensitivity, which essentially allows cells to respond more effectively to insulin. When this happens, glucose is more efficiently used for energy rather than being stored as fat, which is beneficial for weight management. It regulates adipogenesis. Adipogenesis is the process by which fat cells, adipocytes, are formed. Berberine has been shown to inhibit this process, which means that fewer new fat cells are formed, potentially limiting fat storage. It modulates gut microbiota. Berberine has been shown to modulate the composition of gut microbiota. It can selectively inhibit harmful bacteria while promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for overall gut health and can also impact metabolic health, immunity, and even mental well-being. Has hormonal effects. Leptin is a hormone responsible for signaling fullness or satiety. Some studies have suggested that berberine could improve the body's sensitivity to leptin, which would help to better regulate hunger and satiety signals, possibly aiding in weight loss, and helps with inflammation reduction. Chronic low-level inflammation is increasingly being linked to obesity and other metabolic disorders. Berberine has anti-inflammatory properties, and by reducing inflammation, it could improve overall metabolic health and potentially contribute to weight loss. Now that we've discussed berberine's role in weight management, it's time to turn our attention to the additional health benefits this versatile compound can provide. Number 1. Insulin resistance and diabetes. As said before, berberine has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which allows cells to absorb and utilize glucose more effectively, subsequently reducing fasting glucose levels. Hemoglobin A1C is a long-term measure of blood sugar control, and berberine may help reduce these levels as well. Some studies suggest berberine's effectiveness may be comparable to diabetic medications like metformin and glipizide, although more extensive trials are needed to confirm this. 2. Hypertension. Berberine can stimulate the release of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps dilate blood vessels, thereby reducing blood pressure. The relaxation of the smooth muscles and blood vessels may further contribute to the antihypertensive effects of berberine. 3. High cholesterol. Berberine may inhibit the enzyme HMG-CoA reductase, responsible for cholesterol synthesis in the liver, thereby lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides. Some studies have shown that berberine can increase levels of good cholesterol, HDL, which helps remove bad cholesterol from the bloodstream. 4. Yeast candida overgrowth. Berberine exhibits antimicrobial activity and has been shown to disrupt the cell membranes of yeast like candida, inhibiting its growth and survival. 5. PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome. Given its effects on improving insulin sensitivity, berberine may be beneficial in managing insulin resistance often associated with PCOS. Some studies suggest that berberine may help regulate menstrual cycles, although this area needs more research. 6. SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Small study has shown that berberine could be as effective as the antibiotic rifaximin in treating SIBO, as measured by a negative 3-hour lactulose test. However, larger studies are needed to confirm this finding. Berberine is generally considered safe for most people for short periods, but like any supplement or medication, it can have potential side effects and interactions, especially while combining with certain medication. Some of the reported side effects include gastrointestinal issues, diarrhea, constipation, flatulence, stomach cramps, nausea, hypoglycemia. In individuals taking medications for diabetes or who have issues with blood sugar regulation, berberine could potentially cause low blood sugar, hypoglycemia. If you are considering taking berberine, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, have a chronic medical condition, or are currently taking other medications, it is crucial to consult a healthcare provider for personalized medical advice. This can help ensure that berberine is an appropriate and safe choice for you. The recommended dosage of berberine can vary depending on the specific condition being treated, individual health status, and other factors. However, common dosage guidelines for adults often suggest, for blood sugar control, 500 mg 2 to 3 times per day before meals. For cholesterol management, 500 mg 2 to 3 times per day. For gastrointestinal issues, dosage may vary. Consult a healthcare provider. A typical regimen might start with a lower dose, such as 500 mg once per day, with the option to gradually increase based on how well it is tolerated and how effective it is at managing symptoms. The total daily dosage usually does not exceed 1,500 to 2,000 mg divided into multiple doses. Taking berberine with a meal may reduce the risk of gastrointestinal side effects. Do you have experience with taking berberine? Please let us know in the comments below how it worked out for you and what kind of berberine you used. We would love to hear from you. And with that being said, we have come to the end of our video. Thanks for tuning in to learn more about berberine. We hope this video has helped you understand the benefits of berberine and how it can help with weight loss. Don't forget to watch our video about taurine to help you understand the role this neurotransmitter plays in exercise and overall health. In the next video, we will talk about arginine alpha-ketoglutarate, also known as AKG supplement. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our informative and animated videos. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to share more with you in the future.